Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of digital possibilities, these tips are the compass that will guide you through the ever-evolving landscape. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the tools to skyrocket your marketing efforts using HubSpot. In the realm of marketing, with HubSpot, we have 5 essential tips that can significantly enhance your strategy. Tip 1 emphasizes the importance of constantly tracking your data and analyzing data using HubSpot's reporting tools, allowing you to decipher valuable insights from various platforms. In tip 2, we're talking about lead data collection through customizable forms, pop-ups, live chat, and progressive field options. Moving on to tip 3, we look at the necessity of collaboration between teams within HubSpot using the comment and approval features to streamline internal processes. Tip 4 introduces the power of A/B testing across different marketing elements to refine strategies and boost engagement. And finally, tip 5 highlights the importance of staying up to date with HubSpot's newest tools and features. Hey, I'm Harry, one of the digital strategists here at Neighborhood, and today I'm going to be discussing the importance of marketing for businesses, the benefit of HubSpot Marketing Hub, and get a little bit deeper into 5 essential HubSpot marketing tips. This is going to help you build a solid business foundation. Now, before we jump into those tips, let's take a quick pit stop to highlight the importance of marketing for businesses. Marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's the heartbeat of business success. It's the powerhouse that creates brand awareness, generates leads, and ultimately drives conversion. Imagine having the best products or services in the world, but without effective marketing, it's like having a treasure chest hidden in plain sight. Effective marketing allows businesses to not only reach their target audience, but also stand out in a crowded market space. In a world where competition is fierce, it's the marketing strategies that make your brand the shining star. But let's be real, navigating the marketing landscape can feel like a wild roller coaster, with platforms, agencies, and software coming at you from all directions. But don't panic. That's where HubSpot steps in to save the day. HubSpot isn't just a tool, it's an integrated CRM software that becomes the compass in a once chaotic marketing terrain. It offers an all-in-one platform that helps businesses build strong foundations, from lead generation and nurturing to tracking and analyzing data for campaign improvements. HubSpot's got it all. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, teams can not only effectively reach their target audience, but also establish a solid presence in the market. Now, let's zoom in on why HubSpot's Marketing Hub is the weapon every business needs in its arsenal. HubSpot is the secret sauce for inbound marketing. It's a software designed to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers by strategically focusing on valuable content tailored to their audience. No more cold calls or interruptive ads. It's all about building genuine connections. But what sets HubSpot apart in this digital age? Unlike traditional methods like print, ads, or TV commercials, HubSpot's Marketing Hub offers an all-in-one digital system that aligns perfectly with the evolving online media landscape. In a world where consumers are spending more time online and turning away from traditional channels, digital marketing is no longer a choice, but a must. And HubSpot goes beyond the basics, combining integrated tools such as email marketing, social media management, think Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all the way to blogging, SEO analytics, and more. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife for your marketing efforts, streamlining your strategy, enhancing organization, and maximizing effectiveness. If you want to learn more about some of these amazing tools and features HubSpot has to offer, check out the blog in the link below. All right, let's get into these tips. Tip number 1, always be tracking and analyzing. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, data is your compass, providing a wealth of information about website visitors, leads, and customers. The HubSpot platform offers robust reporting tools, allowing you to track key metrics, such as website traffic, email open rates, and social media engagement. This data is your treasure map, guiding you to understanding what resonates with your audience and where improvements can be made. As a pro tip, start by connecting your accounts to platforms like Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. This opens the floodgates to gather valuable information and interactions from your prospects. HubSpot even collects and tracks data from both paid and organic platforms using UTM codes. And here's a nugget of wisdom. Explore the HubSpot marketplace to discover the myriad of apps it can seamlessly connect with. You'd be surprised at the possibilities that unfold when tools work together. Tip number 2. Take your lead data collection to the next level. Building meaningful connections with your audience begins with understanding their needs and preferences. HubSpot Marketing Hub helps you provide a versatile and user-friendly platform, empowering businesses to enhance their data collection through various practical tools, such as customizable forms, allowing you to tailor data collection based on specific needs, ensuring that every piece of information gathered is relevant and valuable. Pop-ups. These strategically integrated pop-ups serve as attention-grabbing prompts, engaging visitors and encouraging them to share pertinent details. Live chat options. The live chat options HubSpot provides facilitate real-time interactions, fostering immediate engagement and capturing valuable insights into customers' preferences and inquiries. This multifaceted approach enriches the pool of collecting data and your organization to refine its messaging in real time, adapting you to the evolving needs of leads. But it doesn't stop there. HubSpot also allows you to adapt lead scoring, identifying which leads are most likely to become customers based on their behavior and attributes. You can start by creating a list of questions regarding simple personal details, such as names, to create relatable and comfortable communication, as well as email for points of contact. After creating the list of questions, you can then make your forms and add queued progressive fields, which will automatically populate questions upon the prospect's new or existing collected data. That way, you can collect more information over time and refrain from spamming your leads with the same questions over and over again. If you would like to know more about how to use progressive fields in forms, HubSpot has a great how-to guide in the description below. Tip number 3, collaboration between teams. Collaboration between teams is a fundamental element for successful digital marketing efforts, and HubSpot CRM is here to take the dynamics to the next level. It seamlessly integrates with its marketing tools, providing a platform for teams to communicate, review tasks, and manage approvals. Now, why is collaboration so crucial? Effective collaboration allows head managers and teams to maintain quality control over various marketing efforts before they go live. It's the secret to going the extra mile and ensuring your marketing strategy is not only effective, but exceptional. Today, let's zoom in on 2 specific functionalities: commenting and approvals. These features are designed to streamline your team's collaboration, ensuring that every asset, whether it's an ad, blog, landing page, or form, undergoes a thorough collaborative process before hitting the public eye. The collaboration sidebar is your new best friend. It appears when you open any asset in the hub, making commenting and assigning tasks a breeze. Simply click on the comment icon, which will enter you into comment mode, and then click on the specific element you want to discuss, ask, or simply refer to. Now, approvals, a game changer for maintaining quality. Head over to settings, click account setup, and then approvals. At this point, you have to enable approvals for different marketing tools, such as website pages, landing pages, and blog posts. Once set up, return to your asset and voila, request or grant approvals directly from the collaboration sidebar. Flexibility is key here. Customize your approvals, choose your team members who can skip approvals, and keep that workflow smooth. If you're eager for more details, including insights into the calendar and task functionality of the new approval features, HubSpot has a comprehensive guide in the description below. Now, tip number 4. We're talking about A/B testing in the HubSpot CRM, a trick up our sleeves to kick your marketing game up a notch. Ever found yourself wondering why your engagement rates aren't hitting the jackpot? Well, sometimes it's the small things that make the differences, like changing an image, tweaking a font. A/B testing is like your trump card to test and compare your marketing efforts. But here's the cool part. It's not just about testing one thing. HubSpot lets you throw the testing net far and wide across your customer journey. Landing pages, blogs, CTAs, website pages, and forms. Think of different layouts, content variations, and even design element. It's like giving your marketing strategy a mini makeover. Now, let's wrap up our journey through the HubSpot Marketing Hub with tip 5, the integration of new features and tools. This one is like the icing on the cake, ensuring you're always at the forefront of what HubSpot has to offer. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, staying in the loop with new features and tools is a non-negotiable. HubSpot gets it, and that's why they consistently roll out updates to enhance capabilities and refine the user experience. It's all about giving businesses access to cutting-edge functionalities that significantly elevate their marketing strategies. HubSpot has designated sections for users to access the latest development features and a playground of possibilities. This area allows you to integrate the newest functionalities, giving your teams the chance to familiarize themselves with them. Now, to get to the product updates area, it's a piece of cake, so let me guide you. First, click on your account, then click on product updates, and voila, you now have access to the list of beta, in development, sunset, live, or coming soon products right there in your portal. But that's not all. If there's a feature you're itching to see HubSpot implement, there's a place for that too, the HubSpot community. It's a dedicated space reviewed by the HubSpot product team where users can share their suggestions. This collaborative space allows your voice to be heard, and your idea might be the next best thing. And there you have it. Our top 5 tips to wield HubSpot like a marketing superhero. We've covered everything from data collection and collaboration to A/B testing and simply staying ahead with the latest features. Now it's your turn to take the reins and make magic happen in your marketing strategy. And by all means, if you ever find yourself in a digital marketing maze or need a bit of wizardry guidance, don't be a stranger. We're here to help you master the marketing magic with HubSpot. Cheers to marketing success and let the enhancement continue.